Scan complete. 7075 T6, 10-meter sheets confirmed.
Matching the manifest, we are clear for storage.
Alignment is perfect on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Laser calibration holds true. Proceed with riveting.
Here in the fabrication zone, the Yak-130's wing spar is sculpted from a monolithic block of aerospace-grade aluminum.
Hydraulic presses stretch the aluminum over complex molds for the Yak-130. The powerful machinery shapes the metal.
Alignment looks good on my side.
Confirming connection point 5. Torque sequence initiated.
The digital readout confirms near zero deviation in the panel fit, demonstrating the precision of the modular assembly process. Torque sequence initiated on Mount A.
Reading steady. Confirming structural rigidity.
massive steel door closes, beginning the rigorous structural validation required for the Yak-130 Mitten trainer.
Calibration complete for the riveting guns.
Verified. All systems are within tolerance for the new airframes.
All data verified. The structural platform is flawless.
Excellent. We are ready for Process B integration.
The carbon fiber reinforced polymer sheets are placed into a high-pressure autoclave for the final curing process, bonding the layers.
We are reaching maximum vibration tolerance. Monitor the power fluctuations closely.
Everything is nominal. The system is holding up remarkably well.
Alignment check complete. Deviation is within tolerance.
Torque sequence finalized. I'm logging the report now.
This marks the transition point, where the raw structure meets the sophisticated electronics of the cockpit module.
A little to the left.
Okay, hold it there. Looks aligned.
Alignment is stable. Proceed with docking sequence.
Roger that. Contact in 3, 2, 1. Seamless integration confirmed.
Power stabilization complete. All systems green.
Confirmed. Initial data flow is nominal.
This detailed masking ensures that only the exterior surfaces receive the characteristic trainer orange paint scheme.
The Yak-130 Mitten is tracked into the pressurized paint booth, where specialized robotic systems will apply the high-visibility trainer orange coating.
Basic Peti Hansava. Isme pochek prehusivi, shutiris, desibradio sesmi passato hestaki disa. Sitte minge.
Electrical systems check complete.
Confirmed. All hydraulics are within tolerance.
Structure looks good, Chief.
Ground power stable. Run the startup sequence.
Roger.
Avionics initializing. Confirming navigation alignment.
Positive confirmation. Flight controls free and clear.
Check the alignment on lug 3.
Looks good. Confirmed on the schematic.
Final diagnostics complete. Weapon systems active.
All displays synchronized. Module fully operational. Confirmed.
The seamless, precise movement confirms the successful integration of the mechanical structure and the hydraulic systems.
Nice and smooth on the throttle. Watch your simulated threat on the MFD.
Adjusting parameters now. Engaging target lock.
The aircraft decelerates smoothly, showcasing the reliability and durability engineered into the final product for high-cycle operational use.
Cable connected. Data transferring now.
Reading levels on panel 4.
Gear inspection clear.
Pylon secure, station 4.
Roger that. Check your torque.
Torque is good, ready for inspection.
Target at bearing 090, confirm identification.
Confirmed. Switching to weapons display.
This spike indicates the moment you initiated the simulated weapons release.
Right, I see the deviation now.
The system compensated it, but the time.